friends. It's a beautiful day and I am so glad to be here. I am going to be doing a pixie cut style that has no bangs. If you've seen any of my videos recently, most of my hairstyles have been kind of like this, where my hair is in sort of a side bang position, but I want to style it going back today. It can look a little more polished, maybe a tad more fancy. It's just a nice little change. That's the beauty of pixie cuts, let me tell you. You can do completely different styles from day to day and have a lot of fun doing it. So I haven't done anything to my hair. I just got out of the shower about 30 minutes ago. I've dampened my hair a little bit, get my hair just a tad more wet because I like it in this wet state before I start styling it. So I'm gonna first start by pre-treating my hair with some heat spray. This is called L'Oreal Elvive. This is particular to long hair. They say dream links, but a lot of products that say they cater to long hair, I don't understand how. I think it's a marketing thing because this works great on short hair. So this is the Heat Slayer Pre-Iron Spray. I like the consistency my hair turns out in this, so this has been a favorite of mine the last 6 months. You just want to get a generous dousing of it on your hair. I don't find that my hair ends up feeling weird if I put a little too much on, but you know, as always with short hair, you want to be conservative with how much product you put on there. So I'm just kind of working it through my hair here. Okay, I'm going to take out my blow dryer. And I will grab my big brush that you use for blow drying. So what I noticed with my hair, since my hair is mostly flat, is it dries fine, but the ends look kind of funny if it just dries straight, and it doesn't make a nice style. So what I like to do is put a tad bit of curl at the ends of my hair so that it lays okay. Here goes. Okay, before I finish the blow drying process, I want to get a part going here. So my hair is still a little bit damp in the back. What I'm kind of wanting to do is have a little bit of the baby hairs right here, kind of come down right here, and you can see a natural part forming. So what I'm going to do, part here, and then back here, I just want it to go back. I'm going to put my blow dryer in low because I need a little bit of targeted work. Y'all, this is just laying perfectly. I love it. Oh, I think we're onto something. I really love how this looks, including from the side. What's going on in the side is there's a lot of volume back here, and you can see this cute little part right here. And then on this side, it's laying really nice. I need to do something with my sideburns here. And then let me show you the back. I think we're ready to spray. Okay, so I'm gonna set this with just a cheap hairspray. This is Herbal Essences Body Envy Volumizing Hairspray, and I don't know about you, but I'm a middle-aged person, and when I was in high school and as a young adult, every hairspray would break me out so bad. But what I've noticed over the years is hairsprays have gotten good. You don't necessarily have to invest in a $30 hairspray to get a good set, and some of the cheaper brands that you can get at like a Walmart or a Target, they suffice. I'm gonna spray my hair with this, and I don't think I'm gonna even use a putty today. After I spray, just do a little puff up. One thing, I do want to use a tiny bit of pomade actually on my sideburns. See how they look right now? It's just kind of like choppy and blocky. Don't like that. So I'm going to use this American Crew pomade, just a little bit on the tip of my finger, not too much. And then I'm gonna just get both of my index fingers with a little putty. And you can either do kind of like a curved style for your sideburns, or you could kind of tuck them back if you prefer, however you like to do it. I think that's a nice little touch that kind of polishes off the angles of the pixie cut. Okay, well, I hope you learned something. Try this hairdo out. It's actually awesome. Love the part, and even these little hairs right here, just the way it's falling and out of my face is really good. I'm liking this style. I think I'm gonna do this tomorrow for work. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. If you're not a sub, hit that subscribe button. And also, what helps my video is if you like this video, give that a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. I'm so glad to be posting more regularly now. My daughter is back helping me with video editing, and so should be putting more regular videos out from here on because it's fun, and I really do miss talking to all of you. So I hope you come back. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.